car meet because the cops came, and everyone's going to the next meet, and I'm pretty sure the highway's about to be lit right now. Trying to pass this BMW. Never mind. There's just too many cars on the highway, but we keep recording though. Alright. Let's just wait. There's no way we're catching up to that BMW, so we're just...
The BMW put his foot to the floor and just went.
Yeah, he was gone, bro. We're literally almost at the next, like the next location is like 2 minutes away, so. Here's one car, here's one car.
Look at that SRT.
So we're racing, we're racing.
You heard it? Holy crap, it was on the edge of all death. your car was like, yeah, like, please.
That was probably a modified SRT too. So that's probably like a 400 horsepower car. Look at this Civic though. Get a nice view of this Civic, right? Got some nice zooms on it.
I am.
I had the heat blasting that whole time, bro. This car is staying cold, bro. It's literally blowing out cool air on full heat.
Stop it! For a quick reference, just follow me, Nicole OG. 4Gs. Look at that, nice.
The temp is good. We lit.
Alright.
That was fun. Might as well record the rest of the beat. So. Alright, we got my flash to work. How did I get my flash to work, Dante?
That shit ain't balls.
What did I do? What did I... So it's notorious for the iPhone X flash to not work in the cold. So I warmed it up. But we got a ProCharged Mustang right here. What's good? I got the flash on. What's up? What's up?
What's good, Andrew?
We got the ProCharged right here.
You know it, bro. You know it.
It's done. You did the
It's
whole
done.
thing.
It's done. Because fuel at 4,000 RPM, so it doesn't
Oh,
go
really?
fast
It's
higher.
limbo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the guy doesn't want me to go lead, fucking blow.
Yeah, you don't want that. Don't want that. Like this is the ProCharger, but just like the rest of the car, like look at this. Let me back up for a second. You know, it sucks that it's nighttime. But like,
I know.
I got the X though. The iPhone X is supposed to have better low light. That's not bad.
No, that's not fair.
Imagine on a computer screen, you would see. You would see. You would see. I like it. Oh, thank you. So, what Boston? These are Boston? No,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, Boston's, right?
Boston's VLE1.
VLE1.
130 out of 400.
Word. 130 out of 400?
Yeah, they only made 400.
Yeah, shit. In this color though, right? Or is
Oh no, just the whole
design?
wheels. Yeah, the whole
Oh,
design they only
shit,
made 400. Had to have them, bro. Looks weird. The Mustang.
They're like 19s or 20s?
20s.
20s?
Yeah.
Or, dude, you have like, honestly, I love your Mustang. Dude.
Thanks,
like,
bro.
This is, in this, look, you got, you got every,
It's like Ferrari taillights.
Exactly. No, don't say that. Look at this. Yeah, like this thing is just the whole done up Mustang.
Drop on coilovers, KW's V2s, license plate to match.
Yeah, so dude. What kind of exhaust does it have? Is it?
I got Roush Axle-Backs, and then I got the mid pipe from 5.0, and just had to make it fit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, stock headers, but I'm not really sure if I want to do it.
Just getting those headers though.
I know.
Imagine how much you could. Just right now, yeah. Forget. Let's just see where you're at now, and then
And
we'll
then do the headers.
Yeah,
exactly, and then do the
because-
nitrous, and then keep going
Yeah.
until it blows up.
Yeah. See how far the V6 can go.
Yeah. I've seen some guys pushing a lot, but at the same time,
Yeah.
it gets to a point where it's like, you know what, should have got enough 5.0.
Yeah. How many miles does it have?
17,000.
17?
Don't
Really?
drive it.
17,000? Oh shit. Okay. All right. You got some time.
Yeah.
You got some time, bro. So how soon is the tune? How soon is the tune?
Gonna finish it up on as soon as spring starts, bro.
As soon as it
Rhode
gets
Island,
warm.
Yeah, Rhode Island, Mustang Magic, the one guy who's turning it. And once I get it all set, then we'll see what it runs. We'll see how much it gets. Depending on, I'm expecting to be between like 450 and 472 wheels on 93.
How much PSI?
11,
11?
11,
Okay.
12 psi. Yeah, and it's only controlled by the pulley. By the
Oh,
pulley and
really?
belt.
The size of
Yeah.
the pulley and
Yeah,
stuff?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't have like a digital, digital boost. It
Yeah,
doesn't have
boost
like boost
controller.
controller.
Yeah,
it
yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
have boost controller.
Mhm.
So then after that, I think I'm gonna leave it at 11.
Yeah, that sounds safe. I mean, 17,000 miles.
Safe
yeah.
for now.
Safe for now,
Safe
yeah.
for now. We'll see over the summer.
Put the hood down. I wanna get a nice clickbait thumbnail,
Listen, as soon as I get it done, bro, we gotta go for a ride.
Or yeah.
Because right now there's no point. If he's boost for like
Yeah.
800 RPMs, boom, that's fuel.
As soon as it feels something different, it's like,
Yeah.
whoa. I'm just gonna record the rest of the meet.
Cold.
It's mad. It's pretty lit, right?
It's cold.
It's cold. Got the 4K 60 frames. What's this in the corner? Got that K20. K20. Yo, I really shouldn't be recording. I really shouldn't be recording in the cold because like it's just not good for the battery, bro. I won't be surprised if my battery gets fucked after this. But look at this, boy.
Close your hood.
Look at this. Yeah, close it for me.
I do not know how does that shit work, bro.
Yeah, he literally drifts.
Sometimes you hear his turbo, sometimes it sounds on over.
What's this man doing?
This guy just drives, yo.
Shit's on. This Lexus is on bags. Yo. I just hate how that sounds. Unfortunately, it sounds
It
ass.
sounds like
It sounds loud, but I don't know. I hate them. What? What? Huh?
Go do something else.
All right. So say peace out. Swag to the wheels.
Peace out, guys. Support my mans.
Yeah. Alright, yo. What you better do?
Go home.
What?
Go home.
Or are you trying to do a fly I can record? I hear that shit skirt in the second gear, boy. This EP3 K20 non-VTEC, boy. Let her warm up. Let her warm up.